This is a Photoshop video tutorial. This Sweet 16 was taken and one of the most important pictures was not taken correctly. I had to replace the father taken out of one picture and placed in the other photography. The photo was completely photoshopped. The floor was cleaned. The cables, as you see, were removed. The windows, everything was nice and fixed. Wood behind the guy was cleaned, was nice and clean. The photo was cropped, and that's the final job. Then it was saved to the right format, and the video was exported for YouTube.